How to create transparent text on the photo with knockout tool. Open the photo in the Photoshop. Go to the layer panel. Click on the lock icon of the background layer. The layer is unlocked. Click on the new layer icon. A new layer is created. Now drag this new layer down. Then go to the toolbar. Click on the horizontal type tool. Go to the layer panel. Hold down the Ctrl key from the keyboard and select the text layer and image layer together. Click the right button. Click on the new group. You can see that this layer has been grouped. Then select only the text layer. Go to menu bar. Click on the layer. Go to layer style. Click on blending option. Go to knockout. Click the knockout drop down box. Click on shallow. Next, decrease the opacity 0%. Click on the OK button. As you can see, our text has become transparent. Now we will save it in PNG format. Go to menu bar. Click on the file. Go to export. Click on export as. Keep the format PNG. Click on the export button. Click save. The photo is saved in the PNG format. Thanks for watching the video.